Yeah, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's another beautiful and then wonderful Friday afternoon here. It's very sunny. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. So I've got I've got a sort of a good news for those who are willing to join the Royal Navy from Commonwealth. Yeah. So they are saying currently you can apply from Commonwealth. Yeah. And the best part is that if you can't swim, you can still join. Yeah, if you're not a swimmer, you can still join. You can still apply to join, but um, they've got limited rules for Commonwealth. Yeah, so they will teach you how to swim, and then definitely if you pass your military swimming test, then that is you in the Navy. Yeah, so it's not necessary important that you should know how to swim prior to your how do you call it, your assessment or your fitness test. Yeah, so if you just do the application, you come over to the UK, or perhaps if you're in the UK, they'll do everything, do your security clearance, which I think takes a bit of time. Yeah, then after that you get to training. Then that is where they'll ask you whether you are a swimmer or non-swimmer. If you're a non-swimmer or a weak swimmer, they'll teach you how to swim, and then they'll take it from there. Then you do your military swimming test, as we do in what we do in the army. Yeah, then if you pass, that's it. If you fail, they'll retest you. Then after that, they'll retrain you and then retest you. Yeah, so guys, this is a good news. So please, no one should come into my DM to ask me to apply for him or her, or what is the link, I'm interested, blah blah blah. Please, we are all in the 21st century. Pick up your smartphone or in front of your laptop, search for Royal Navy recruitment.mod.uk. Yeah, then so you just take it from there. Yeah, just go online and then search Royal Navy recruitment. Yeah, the official website will pop up, of which you will definitely know the official website if once you search on Google. Then that is it. Then you search for the fast track jobs, and then the jobs that you think is available for Commonwealth. Yeah, those on YouTube watching me, if you are watching me on YouTube, I'm definitely gonna put the the list of roles available for Commonwealth. Well, some of them might be might be filled now. I can't guarantee you, but there's no harm in trying. So I'll just leave the link. I'll just leave the link in the comment section on TikTok, and then on YouTube too. I'll leave it in my video description. Yeah, just copy that link, paste it on Safari or Google, or wherever browser, whichever browser that you're using. It will take you there. Then you do your own, or you make your own application. Please remember, mind you still need to get a UK sponsor. Yeah, so if you don't have a UK sponsor, if you don't have anyone in the UK who is ready to accommodate you, and then support you with your application, please, you cannot apply. And please, I am not an agent, or I'm not a travel agent. I am not an army officer whatsoever. So please, I'm just a private soldier trying to help other Ghanaians, other Commonwealth soldiers, and then my fellow British who are interested in joining the British Army. Yeah, those who are here, who are interested in joining the British Army, and then serving the crown, that is joining the MOD, the Ministry of Defense. Yeah, so that is it, guys. I'm gonna make another video, but probably tomorrow or later tonight. Yeah, so that is the good news, guys. Right now, you don't need to know how to swim. You can just do it. That's it. You do it, then you take it from there. I confirmed it myself. This is not from a rumors. It is from their career office. I personally called them and then made the inquiries, and then they told me that yes, it is true, and then you can do that. So some of the rules have changed, and this is it, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, if you're in the UK, enjoy your summer, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. God bless. This is Mike for you signing out. Bye.